Hey everyone, and welcome back on my YouTube channel. I am Thomas Etschel, and today I want to talk to you about a very hot topic, PMax campaign level negatives. We have been waiting for them since PMax got launched, I think 3 or 4 years ago, and now they are finally here, and they should be here as a beta, but we have seen them now also in a German account outside of the US, shared by Helen Gittmann. As you can see on the screenshot here, the PMax campaign level negatives are showing under keyword section in the PMax campaign, and here under excluded keywords or negative keywords. I like business on X showed that he found also PMax campaign level negatives already in a US account. And also here you can see it's under the keywords, negative keywords section, which is very interesting. And if you are watching this video, you should definitely check out your campaign right now, your PMax campaign, to see if you have those available. But don't get too excited, I always say it, because there are some limitations. And I also wrote about it yesterday. So PMax campaigns negatives are only applicable first to search and shopping inventory. It doesn't take into consideration any YouTube search or any display search. It doesn't take into consideration any searches on YouTube or display contextual searches. Also, negative keyword lists are not available to use in your PMax campaign. So if you have been using PMax negative keyword lists for PMax campaigns via the modification requests with the Google Ads support, then don't worry, you can still use them. They won't phase out for now. But in this exact interface here, you cannot use any negative keyword lists. So you can only upload here negative keywords, but not lists. And you can only upload up to 100 negative keywords in this campaign level. So that's a bit of a pain, and I hope Google is just testing this and will increase the threshold for us, because with only 100 negative keywords, it's still not very useful. I mean, it's useful. Okay, we have negative keywords. We are happy about it. But yeah, in a normal campaign, a normal search campaign, you have more than 100, especially if it has been running for more than a year. You accrue so many search terms that you want to exclude, even in exact match, for example. So 100 is not enough. I hope it's just a test from Google, because it's still under beta officially. And I think if the beta then is positive and many people use it, then Google might increase the threshold up to, I don't know, 500 or 1000 active keywords, or even give us the keyword lists, because Google needs to pay all the Google Ads support agents that work on your keyword modification lists, right? So that doesn't make sense. Google should give it to us, and we do it ourselves, right? But yeah, we're not there yet, and yeah, I hope this will change. But I wanted to show you this new update, and also here how Google has on this support page here, you can see also again how to add negatives. You obviously need to go to a campaign, audiences, keyword content, what I show you, and keywords, and then you can click here. And still, I mean, you still can use account level negatives, but here the biggest limitation is that account level negatives are excluding those terms for all your campaigns, even brand campaigns, even generic campaigns. So yeah, I wanted to talk to you about this, and I hope this helps. Go now to your PMax campaign and check out if you have the option or not. Bye bye.